Today, I want to speak to you about a profound truth that has the power to transform your life. Never pay attention to your circumstances. Circumstances are not the master of your destiny, they are merely the reflection of your past thoughts and beliefs. If you allow yourself to be consumed by what you see, hear, or feel around you, you give away your power to create something greater. The world may whisper doubt in your ear. It may scream at you that you're stuck, that the obstacles are too big, and that success is out of reach. But I urge you, don't listen to the world. Listen to the voice within. What you see today is not your ultimate reality. It's only a chapter of your story. Your circumstances are temporary. They do not define who you are or what you're capable of achieving. The truth is, the power to shape your future lies in your imagination, your faith, and your focus. If you're surrounded by lack, don't let it control your vision. Instead, see abundance in your mind. If challenges are weighing you down, don't dwell on them, see solutions and victories. Your current situation is like clay, it's waiting for you to mold it. But you can't reshape your life by staring at the clay and lamenting its form. You must see in your mind the masterpiece it can become and work towards it with unwavering belief. Every great achievement started as a thought, a dream, an unwavering vision held by someone who refused to bow to their circumstances. They didn't wait for the conditions to be perfect, they decided to create the conditions. They dared to believe in what was not yet visible. And so can you. Faith is your greatest tool. Faith isn't just believing in the unseen, it's living as if the unseen is already here. Speak as though your success is certain. Act as though your dreams are real. Walk as though your goals are already achieved. Because when you do, the world will eventually conform to the power of your belief. Do not let temporary circumstances hold you hostage. Rise above them. Dream bigger, believe deeper, and act boldly. Your circumstances may be loud, but your vision can be louder. And remember, the only limits in life are the ones you allow to exist in your mind. The life you want is waiting for you, not in the world around you, but in the world within you. So close your eyes to the noise of circumstances, open your heart to the possibilities, and walk forward with unstoppable faith. Your current situation is not permanent. It's a reflection of your past thoughts and actions, but it doesn't define what's ahead. Just as seasons change, so can your circumstances if you choose to believe and act differently. Don't let the present dictate your potential. Know that every challenge is temporary and can be overcome. Trust that brighter days are possible. Your reality is malleable, and you have the power to reshape it. You hold the power to create the life you want. Your thoughts, beliefs, and imagination are the tools to shape your reality. Nothing in your external world has more power over you than your inner vision. You are not at the mercy of circumstances or other people's opinions. Decide today that you are in charge of your destiny. Take responsibility for your dreams and actively pursue them. The life you want starts with what you create in your mind. Don't dwell on problems or obstacles. Instead, shift your focus to what could go right. See every challenge as an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. By focusing on possibilities, you unlock creative solutions and new opportunities. Possibility thinking expands your vision and allows you to see beyond limitations. Train yourself to ask, what can I learn? How can I move forward? Your life will align with what you focus on most. Fear whispers lies that hold you back, but faith speaks truth and opens doors. Choose to believe in what's possible, even if you can't see it yet. Faith isn't just hope, it's the unwavering conviction that your dreams are achievable. Fear will try to paralyze you, but faith empowers you to take action. Trust that you're capable and that the universe supports your efforts. When faith grows stronger than fear, miracles happen. Your dreams are the seeds of your future. Don't limit them based on your current circumstances or what others think. Allow yourself to dream as big as you dare. Bold dreams inspire bold actions and lead to extraordinary outcomes. Remember, every great achievement began as someone's seemingly impossible dream. Dare to think beyond the ordinary and envision a life that excites you. Your bold dreams are the blueprint for your success. Your words are powerful, they shape your reality. Speak about your goals as if they're already accomplished. Say, I am successful, not I want to be successful. Your subconscious mind believes what you tell it, so choose words that align with your vision. Avoid negativity or self-doubt in your language. Speak with confidence, clarity, and purpose. The more you affirm your success, the more it becomes real. Every action you take should align with your goals. Don't waste energy on distractions or activities that don't move you forward. Intentional action creates momentum and builds confidence. Even small, consistent steps lead to significant progress over time. Act as if your success is inevitable, and let that belief guide your choices. When you act with purpose, you close the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Refuse to accept less than what you truly desire. Settling for mediocrity leads to regret and stagnation. You are worthy of achieving greatness and living your best life. Don't let fear, doubt, or societal expectations convince you to lower your standards. Stand firm in your vision and keep pushing for more. You owe it to yourself to strive for your full potential. Never stop reaching higher. Your thoughts shape your world, so choose them wisely. Replace negative thoughts with positive, empowering ones. Instead of saying, I can't, ask, how can I? A mindset focused on growth and possibility opens doors to success. Train your mind to see the good in every situation and believe in your ability to overcome challenges. The right mindset turns obstacles into opportunities and transforms struggles into success. Abundance is everywhere if you choose to see it. Even in difficult times, there are opportunities for growth and success. Focus on what you have, not what you lack. Gratitude for your current blessings attracts more to be grateful for. Recognize the endless possibilities around you and act on them. A mindset of abundance helps you rise above limitations. What you focus on expands, so focus on abundance. Act, think, and feel as though your goal has already been achieved. This creates alignment between your mind and your reality. When you embody the confidence of success, opportunities will naturally align with your vision. Visualize yourself living the life you desire and let that inspire your actions. This isn't about pretending, it's about creating the conditions for your success to manifest. What you internalize becomes your external reality. Live boldly in the certainty of your dreams. Negative voices, whether from others or within yourself, are distractions. Don't give them power over your vision. Critics, doubts, and fears will always exist, but they don't define your journey. Choose to focus on encouragement, possibilities, and progress. Build resilience by staying grounded in your purpose. Surround yourself with positive influences that uplift and inspire you. The only opinion that matters is the one that aligns with your highest self. True change begins within. Stop seeking validation or solutions solely from the external world. Your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions create your reality. Take time to reflect, meditate, and align yourself with your inner truth. When your inner world is strong, the external world will mirror that strength. Trust your instincts and the power of your imagination. Your inner focus will guide you to the success you seek. Challenges will arise, but they are not the end of the road. Persistence is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Keep going even when it feels hard, and remember that every effort counts. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. Resilience is built through perseverance, so don't quit. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. The only way to fail is to stop trying. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and adjust your approach. See failures as feedback, not finality. The greatest successes often come after the biggest challenges. Embrace failure as a teacher, not a defeat. Each attempt moves you closer to mastery. Redefining failure transforms obstacles into stepping stones toward your dreams. Success doesn't happen by accident. Align your thoughts, words, and actions with your goals. Know what you want and take deliberate steps to achieve it. Remove distractions and focus on what truly matters. Intentionality creates clarity and momentum. When every decision serves your purpose, you move closer to your vision. Life rewards those who act with intention and purpose. Your imagination is a powerful tool for creating your reality. Close your eyes and see yourself living the life you desire. Picture the details, the sights, sounds, and feelings of your success. Visualization imprints your goals on your subconscious mind, which drives your actions and decisions. The clearer your vision, the easier it becomes to achieve. Make visualization a daily practice to keep your goals alive and vivid. Fear is a natural response, but it doesn't have to control you. Recognize it as a signal, not a barrier. Face your fears with courage, knowing that growth lies on the other side. Replace fear with curiosity and a willingness to learn. Trust that you are capable of handling challenges. Fear shrinks in the face of action, so take bold steps forward. You are stronger than your fears. Your life is your responsibility. Stop blaming others, circumstances, or luck for where you are. Accepting responsibility gives you the power to change. You are not a victim, you are the creator of your destiny. Own your choices, actions, and results. This mindset shifts you from helplessness to empowerment. When you take responsibility, you reclaim control over your future. Emotions are temporary, but your vision is long-term. Don't let frustration, doubt, or impatience derail your progress. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them dictate your actions. Stay committed to your goals, even when it's hard. Discipline and focus are stronger than fleeting emotions. Keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Success requires consistency, not emotional impulsiveness. Faith is believing in your dreams even when you can't see results yet. It's the bridge between your vision and reality. Trust that your efforts will bear fruit in time. Faith gives you strength during uncertainty and fuels persistence. Doubt and fear weaken your resolve, but faith keeps you moving forward. When you believe wholeheartedly, the universe aligns to support you. Have faith in yourself and the process. Consistency is the secret to success. Small, daily actions compound into massive results over time. Even when progress feels slow, trust that every step matters. Build habits that align with your goals and stick to them. Consistency outshines bursts of effort, followed by inactivity. Success isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. Keep showing up, and the results will follow. Your current situation is not your final destination. Don't get stuck in what you see today. Focus on the future you're creating and act accordingly. Detachment doesn't mean ignoring reality, it means not letting it limit your vision. Trust the process and keep moving forward. The present moment is just a stepping stone to your dreams. What you see now doesn't define what's possible. Don't let limited thinking confine your potential. Challenge yourself to dream bigger and believe in greater possibilities. Ask what else is possible and stretch your imagination. Expansive thinking opens doors you didn't know existed. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you to claim them. Let go of small-mindedness and embrace the infinite potential within you. The bigger you think, the farther you'll go. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive and amplifies abundance. Appreciate what you have while working for more. Gratitude attracts more blessings into your life and keeps you grounded. Make it a habit to acknowledge the good in every situation. Gratitude transforms your mindset from lack to abundance. Start each day by giving thanks and watch how your perspective and life improve. Discipline is the foundation of success. It's the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Build habits that support your goals and stick to them. Avoid distractions and prioritize your vision. Discipline turns dreams into reality through consistent effort. It's not about perfection, but persistence. The more disciplined you are, the closer you'll get to your goals. Success starts from within. Cultivate calmness and clarity in your mind and heart. Inner peace allows you to think clearly and act decisively. Let go of stress, doubt, and fear. They only cloud your vision. Spend time reflecting, meditating, or simply being still. When you're at peace within, you can handle challenges with grace. Your inner world creates your outer success. Your mind is your most powerful tool. You control your thoughts, and you control your reality. Guard against negativity and feed your mind with empowering ideas. Train your thoughts to focus on solutions, not problems. Mastery of the mind takes practice, but it's worth the effort. Your thoughts shape your beliefs, actions, and ultimately your life. A disciplined mind leads to unstoppable success. Growth requires stepping outside your comfort zone. Change is a natural part of life and a catalyst for transformation. Don't fear it, embrace it as an opportunity to become better. Each change brings new lessons and possibilities. The more adaptable you are, the more resilient you become. Welcome change as a sign that you're moving forward. Growth happens when you dare to evolve. Momentum is built through consistent action. Even small victories create energy and confidence to keep going. Take that first step, no matter how small, and let it lead to the next. Momentum turns effort into progress and builds unstoppable energy. Once you start, keep the momentum alive with daily actions. Progress fuels motivation, and motivation fuels success. Your intuition is a powerful guide. Trust that you have the wisdom and strength to achieve your goals. Stop doubting your abilities and start believing in your potential. The answers you seek are already within you. Listen to your instincts and act on them with confidence. Self-trust empowers you to face challenges and seize opportunities. Believe in yourself and the world will believe in you too. Knowledge is the key to growth and success. Be a lifelong learner, always seeking ways to improve and expand your understanding. Read, study, and learn from those who inspire you. Every new skill or insight brings you closer to your goals. Embrace curiosity and a willingness to evolve. Learning keeps your mind sharp and your vision alive. Success belongs to those who never stop growing. Acknowledge every step forward, no matter how small. Celebrating progress boosts motivation and reinforces positive habits. Each milestone is a reminder that you're moving closer to your dreams. Don't wait for the final victory to feel proud, enjoy the journey. Gratitude for progress keeps you energized and focused. Celebrate your wins and use them as fuel to keep going. When you lift others, you rise too. Share your knowledge, support, and encouragement freely. Helping others creates a ripple effect of positivity and success. It builds relationships, fosters gratitude, and strengthens your own sense of purpose. Success is sweeter when shared with others. Empower those around you and you'll find yourself empowered too. The more you give, the more you grow. Your vision is the compass guiding you through life's challenges. Never lose sight of it, no matter how difficult the journey becomes. Remind yourself daily of your goals and why they matter. Keep your dreams vivid and alive in your heart and mind. When distractions arise, refocus on your vision. Stay inspired by the life you're creating. Your vision is your ultimate source of strength.